What are you doing, baby? What are you doing with your bucket? She's like, this bucket tastes so good.
Thank you.
Taste it, Daddy. Taste. Tempy likes to share. You gotta be careful with that.
You always try to sit on stuff. Yeah, you do. You're doing it right now. I know what you're sitting on.
She's sitting on her little mat. No, she's sitting on her book. Hang on. There.
Is that easier?
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you. Hi, Tempy.
Thank you. Oops.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, baby.
I can't reach it.
Thank
Leave
you.
that there for.
Thank you. Uh-oh. Thank you, baby. That looks really yummy. Mommy always wanted to eat a red pan. Hi. Oh no, she's getting closer and closer. Attack of the Tempy. You're attacking me. Hey, at least I got you going. Oh man.
My knees are still, you can't see it, but they're all bruised up underneath the kneecaps.
Can you count them all?